Hello students, I hope you all will be good at your places. And as you know that we started the chapter 22, Simple Linear Equation, and I made you solve some exercises from this chapter. Today I will make you understand the exercise 22D. In this exercise, you have to solve all the question by framing the algebraic expression as I told you in chapter 21, Framing an Algebraic Expression. So let's start the exercise 22. The first question of this exercise is saying that the number increased by 17 become the 54. The number that we don't know, we have to find out. Okay. This is the question number 1. Suppose number is x. Okay. That number is x. We have supposed. And according to question, x plus 17 is equal to 54. Question is saying that the number increased by 17 become the 54. We have to find the value of this variable, unknown quantity. So x is equal to 54 minus 17. So x is equal to 37. This is the answer of this question. Okay, so the value of this unknown quantity is 37. X is equal to 37. After that, I am just going to tell you the question number 3. This question is saying that the 1/4 of a number when added to 2/7 of it gives the 135. Okay, so first of all we will find the 1/4 and the 2/7 of that number. This is the question number 3. Suppose that number is x. Okay, so we will find the 1/4 of x and 2/7 of x. So 1/4 of x is equal to 1 upon 4 into x, of means multiplication, and it will be the x upon 4. 1 into x, x upon 4. Now the 2/7 of x, it will be 2 upon 7 multiplied by x, of means multiply, and we will just put the multiplication sign instead of the of. 2 into x, 2x and upon 7. Now after getting 1/4 and the 2/7 of x, we will follow the question. The question is saying that the sum of 1/4 of x and 2/7 of x gives the 135. So we will do so. So it will be x upon 4 plus 2x upon 7 is equal to 135. Now we will take the LCM. It will be the 28. 4 7 and 7 into x, 7x plus 7 4 and 4 2 8, 8x is equal to 135. It will be the 15x upon 28 is equal to 135. Now we have to find the value of x. So it will be x is equal to 135 multiplied by 28 upon 50. Okay. 15 9s are 135. Now 9 into 28. So x is equal to 9 8s are 72. Okay, 2 7 will be carry and 9 2s are 18 and 18 and 7 it will be the 25. So x is equal to 252. 252 is the answer. The value of x is 252. Okay. Now I am just going to tell you the question number 5. This question is saying a number is increased by 12 when the obtained number is multiplied by the 5 gives the 95. So what is the original number? This is the question number 5. Suppose number is x. Suppose that number is x, and according to question, x increased by 12 will be x plus 12, and the question is saying when this resulting value is multiplied by 5 gives the 95. So according to question, x plus 12 when multiplied by 5 gives the 95. Okay, so we have to find the value of x from this equation. As you can see here, this 5 is with product of the variable, product of this variable x plus 12. So it will go in the division to the other hand. So x plus 12 is equal to 95 upon 5. When you will just divide this 95 by 5, you will get the 19. 19 5 the 95. So x plus 12 is equal to 19, and x is equal to 19 minus 12. We will do the transposition. So x is equal to 7. So this is the answer of this question. That value is the 7. X is equal to 7. Now I am just going to tell you the question number 7. This question is saying the age of a man is 27 years more than the age of his son. If the sum of their ages is 47, then find their ages. Means you have to find the age of son and his father. Okay. This is the question number 7. First of all, we will suppose that age of son is x. We have supposed that the age of son is x, and the question is saying that man means his father is 27 years older than him. Therefore, age of father will be x plus 27. Got it? And next the question is saying that the sum of their ages means x plus 27 will be 47. Okay. So according to question, x plus 27 means the sum of their ages is 47. So from here we will find their ages. Okay. So x plus x, 2x plus 27 is equal to 47. Now 2x is equal to 47 minus 27. 27 will go to the right side with minus sign. Now 2x is equal to 20, and then x is equal to 20 upon 2, 2 tens are, and x is equal to 10. And we suppose that x is the age of son, so that means the age of son is the x. This is the age of son. Okay, that is x. Got it? Now we have to find the age of his father. So we will just put the value of this x here. Okay, because the father is 27 years older than son. So age of father is equal to x plus 27. Okay, so we will write the 10 instead of x. Okay, plus 27, it is 37. So the age of father is 37. Okay, so this is the answer of this question. Now I am just going to tell you the question number 8. This question is saying that the difference between the age of Gopal and his father is 26, and the sum of their ages is 56. Find their ages. Okay, so this is the question number 8. First of all, we will suppose their ages. Suppose age of Gopal is equal to x and age of his father is y. Okay, and the question is saying that the difference of their ages, y minus x, is equal to 26. Why we have done the y minus x instead of the x minus y? Because his father is elder than the Gopal, and the sum of their ages means y plus x is equal to 56. Okay. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. To find the ages of Gopal and his father, we will add both the equations. We will just add both the equations. So minus x and plus x, they will be cancelled, and y plus y, 2y is equal to, when you will add it, so it will be the 6x 12 and it is the 82. 2y is equal to 82. Got it? Now y is equal to 82 upon 2. You will just cancel, so you will get the 41. So y is equal to 41. This is the age of his father, because we suppose that the age of father is y. Now we will find the age of Gopal. We will just put the value of y in equation 1 or 2. Okay. So y plus x is equal to 56. As you can see here, we are just going to put the value of this y in equation 2. You can put the value of y in equation 1 also. Okay, the answer will remain same. So we will just put the value of this y in this equation. So it will be the 41 plus x is equal to 56. Then x is equal to 56 minus 41. So x is equal to 15. So the age of Gopal is 15 and age of his father is 41. So this is the answer of this question. Got it? So these were some questions which I made you understand in exercise 22D. Rest of the question I will make you understand in next video, in next class. Till then you just keep practice. Thank you.